we're doing a quick filter exchange on a 4-inch rack system from DRIPLOC. What we would do is, on all of our pillows, they're going to come prepackaged in an oversized bag. We got a little bit of wind here fighting us today. But the key is, take your dirty filters, throw them in that plastic bag. Also, if you're scraping out of the grease out of the boxes or around lids and things like that, now you got something that's easy to dispose of. Like all DRIPLOC pillows, same rule applies. We want to even out the filter media inside the pillow. What he's going to do is he has his way of laying them out nice and flat. He's going to tuck the edges back in, making sure that when he bowls out the middle of the rack, that he's got a good amount of filter media up in front of this drain hole in the front of that rack system. It's the last thing. See how he packs it in? That's the last thing that he checks. The idea is he's made a funnel right here in the middle for the grease to come in, land, and it'll backfill and pull. After that, he simply takes his rack, snaps the lids on. There you go.